There are lots of features in your My Disney Experience app that aren't related to the Genie services. Here we are sharing an overview of the features you will use most often. If you click on the three small lines at the bottom right of the screen, you will see a menu with lots of options. If you click on Future Plans, you will see any plans that we have already made for you. This will include your resort reservations and park pass reservations. To get back to the main menu, you can click on the back arrow at the top, or you can click on the three lines at the bottom. Click on Virtual Queues to see if any rides are using that system when you are traveling. You can join a virtual queue on the day you attend a park. Here you can also see an explanation of how to join a boarding group for a virtual queue. You can also click on mobile food ordering, which is covered in another video, and other features. To see pictures taken by park photographers or on rides, click on Photos. If you purchase the Memory Maker, this is where you will find your pictures to download. Sometimes there is a watermark on the photo indicating you need to activate your Memory Maker. Click on the picture and activate. If you have issues with your photos, visit the Disney PhotoPass location at the front of each park for assistance. Next, I clicked on Resort Hotel, where you can see your resort reservation details. Notice there are several subtabs at the top and additional ones as you scroll down that are pretty self-explanatory. You can see dining options and other features specific to your resort by scrolling across the top. Scroll down and you can see how to use your app to unlock your door, get directions, and see a map of your resort. When you're in the parks and have started your vacation, in this area you will also be able to see the bus wait times at your resort. This area is also where you can find your room number once you receive a notification that your room is. Click on Park Hours to see what time parks open, as well as what the early entry times are and park hopper availability for that day. If you have simple questions or issues with your stay, use the chat function to contact a cast member at your resort. This is a great feature to use to avoid waiting in line at the front desk. We would recommend looking around the app to be sure you're familiar with it before you leave for your trip. You can also access many of these same features from the main homepage in the app. There are some features that will look different once you begin traveling, but you'll be comfortable enough with the app to understand what you need to know if you take a little time to get familiar with it now. We hope you found this helpful and have a great adventure.